Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I am your grade 4 English language teacher, and today I will tell you a very good story that will teach you a very good lesson. This is the story, and that is from Unit 3, and its name is Carrots, Eggs, and Coffees. In this story, this is telling that how important your choices are when you are faced with different problems and hardships. How can you accept or defeat, or you can use the chance to become more stronger and better. So everyone has a different way of facing the hardships. So there was a young woman who went to her mother and told her that her things were very difficult, the life was very difficult for her, and she's tired of fighting and struggling with all the problems. And it seems that when one problem is solved, another problem is arising. So her mother, to teach a lesson, took her to the kitchen, and she filled 3 pots with water and placed each one on the high fire, and soon the water in all the 3 pots began to boil. In the first she put some carrots, in the second she placed some eggs, and in the last she placed some coffee beans. And she let them boil and cook without saying a word. After 20 minutes, she turned off all the burners and took out the carrots and placed them in a bowl. She took out the eggs and placed them in a bowl, and then ladled the coffee and put it in a bowl. Then she asked her mother. The mother asked her daughter, "What have you seen?" The daughter just replied, "I saw the carrots, eggs, and coffee." But the mother brought closer to her and told her to feel the carrots. So the daughter felt the carrots; they were soft. Then mother asked her to take an egg and break it. After breaking, she said that the eggs have become hard. Then the mother asked her to sip the coffee. The daughter was very happy. She smiled, tasted. Its taste was very rich, and it has a very good and rich aroma or smell. The daughter asked that why, what do you want to tell me, mother? What do you want me to understand? The mother explained that everyone, all the objects, the carrot, egg, and coffee, they are all facing the same enemy, that is the boiling water. But everyone is reacting in a different manner. So when one is faced with a problem, everyone reacts in a different manner. Like the carrot became strong, hard, and unbending after being cooked in the boiling water, and the egg was very delicate. Its outer shell had protected the liquid inside, but after cooking it has become hard. In the same way, the ground coffee beans, they were unique, and they have been in the boiling water and they have changed the color of the water. So the mother asked that which of you are you? Are you the carrots? Are you the egg or the coffee? So when something bad or adversity knocks on your door, any bad thing happens to you, how will you respond? Will you respond like a carrot, like an egg, or a coffee bean? So which am I? Am I the carrot that seems strong? Are you like the strong like a carrot, but you become soft and lose your strength when it is in difficulty? Or are you like the egg that starts with a soft heart but changes with the heat? With the problems, it has become sensitive and now it has become hard. So, or are you like the coffee beans? So, the coffee bean actually changes the hot water. It means that whatever circumstances it is facing, it is bringing pain to her. But still, the water is getting hot and it is not becoming bad. It is giving the fragrance. When the beans of coffee beans are boiled, they give fragrance and flavor. So you should be like the coffee beans, that when you face any worse things or any problems of life, you should change the situation around you, and don't be bothered, or don't be don't become softened or don't become hard, but you should accustom yourself, try to get according to the situation. So when the hour is darkest and trials are its greatest, you rise to another level. So how will you handle the hardships? Like the carrot, like the egg, or coffee bean? So may you have enough happiness to make you sweet, enough trials to make you strong, enough sorrow to keep you human, and enough hope to make you happy. Remember, the happiest people don't have the best of everything. Don't think that happiest people are those that have everything, but happiest people are those that make the most of everything that comes in their way. Whatever they have got, they don't think about that I have not got anything, I have not got this thing. Don't think like this. Whatever have you got, you try to avail that opportunity, use that opportunity, and forget your past failures and heartaches. Now you have to read this chapter, understand it very well, and then you have to draw these two diagrams. One is this diagram. You first make the title page of Carrots, Eggs and Coffee Unit 3, and then you will make this diagram, and on the other page you will draw this diagram. After that, next time I'll give you the reading comprehension of it. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.